Namaskar, myself Parthapratim Das, yoga teacher from Jasper University. So as you know that in every 21st June, we celebrate the International Day of Yoga throughout the whole world with full spirit and enthusiasm to promote universal peace and harmony, to promote universal health and hygiene. So in 2020, due to this pandemic corona, so we are restricted in our homes or maybe in our respective workplaces. Okay, so within a very limited number of people, we have to do this International Day of Yoga. So my friends, yoga is not a religion; it is a way of living, whose aim is a healthy body and a healthy mind. My friends, it is not important that how many years we have lived. It is not important how many years we have lived, but there should be life in those years. Yoga enhances longevity, boosts our immune system. It makes us physically, mentally, spiritually fit and fine. So, according to the protocol of Ayush Ministry of Government of India, we will do the yoga schedule. So we welcome every one of you. So let us start with a prayer. Om Asato Ma Sadagamaya Tamasho Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityurma Tangamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So let us start a little bit of warm up exercises to warm up our body. Relax neck, the neck rotation now. Breathe in up, breathe out down, breathe in up and breathe out down. Now breathe in and move to the left side, breathe out. Breathe in, move to the right side, breathe out. Once more. Full rotation in clockwise direction 3 times. Now in the anti-clockwise direction 3 times. Now shoulder rotation. Breathe in. Down. Once more. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Clockwise. Now in the reverse direction. Now front twisting. Breathe in, move to the left side. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now knee movement. breathe in, sit down, straight, hold the breath, breathe out. Once more, breathe in down, wait for a while, breathe out. That was the knee movement. Now let us proceed for the asanas, the standing postures, the Tadasana. Interlock your fingers, breathing in up. You will hold it for a few seconds. Feel the stress in your entire body. You hold it, breathe out and down. Once more. Next, the Vrikshasana. The three goes. The Vrikshasana. Keep your focus at the front. Change the side. That was the Vrikshasana. Now the Padahastasana. Breathe in, breathe out down, knees straight, hands on the ground. Breathe in up, again breathe out down, knees straight, hands on the ground. Now the Ardha Chakrasana. Breathing in back. Breathe out and relax. Once more, breathing and back. Breathe out and relax. Now let us sit down. Sorry, another asana, the Trikonasana. Legs 2 feet apart. One leg, this side. Now breathe in, breathe out down. Breathe in up, exchange the side. Breathe out down. Let us sit down in Dandasana. This is the Dandasana. Then the Bhadrasana or the butterfly. This is the Bhadrasana. Next, the Vajrasana. This is the Vajrasana. You may relax for a while, sitting in this asana. Then the Ardha Ustrasana. The Ardha Ustrasana. Breathe in and back. Breathe out and relax. It was the Ardha Ustrasana followed by the full Ustrasana. Legs parallel to each other. There will be equal gapping in both the sides. Breathe in and back. Once more. That was the Ustrasana. Then the Shashangasana. At first, let us sit in Vajrasana and let us sit in V-shaped. The Shashangasana. Breathe in and breathe out. Chin on the ground. Breathe in up. Then the Uttan Mandukasana. Right hand and left hand. This is the Uttan Mandukasana. Relax. Now the Sahas Vakrasana. Hold your right leg. Next, another leg. That was the Vakrasana, followed by the Makrasana. Makrasana is a relaxation pose. This is the Makrasana, a relaxation pose. Place your right hand over your left hand. Both legs will be outside and relax for a while. That one was the Makrasana, followed by the Bhujangasana. This is the Bhujangasana. Hands by the side of your chest, breathing up. Hold it for a few seconds. Then breathe out and down. Once more, type 2. Breathe in and up. And breathe out and down. That was the Bhujangasana. Now the Salvasana, the Purna Salvasana. It cures back pain miraculously. This is the Salvasana. The Salvasana. Now, the Setubandhanasana. Lie down. This is the Setubandhanasana. The breeze pose. Now, the Uttan Padasana. Lift your legs till 30 degree. This is the Uttan Padasana. Relax. Next, the Ardha Halasana. Here you have to lift for 90 degree. The Ardha Halasana. relax, followed by the Pavan Muktasana. Lift your legs, simultaneously breathing and create pressure in the abdomen by the help of your hands. Hold it for few seconds. Breathe up down. Once more, breathing, fold your legs, create pressure in the abdomen. Breathe out down. That was the Pavan Muktasana. Next, the Savasana, the corpse pose. This is a Savasana. This is a deep relaxation pose. It relaxes the body and mind. You will close your eyes and even the limbs will not move. Feel the deep relaxation in your body and mind. Lie down in this asana for 1 minute. This is the Savasana. After any heavy exercises, if weakness prevails, then just try this asana, the Savasana. You will feel relaxed and you will be energized in a very short duration of time. So that was the Savasana. Now let us sit down in any meditative pose, be it Padmasana, Bhadrasana, Siddhasana, anyone, and let us practice the most beneficial and most essential, the pranayams. The pranayams or the breathing exercises is the foundation of yoga, the main part of yoga. Let us start from the Kapalbhati. Breathe in and breathe out, only exhale. You have to exhale the air in fractions, but not at a time. You have to feel the navel area up and down. Vibrations will be created in the abdominal wall. Only exhale. Breathe in, only breathe out. पेट अंदर, सांस बाहर, पेट अंदर, सांस बाहर. In this way. More 2 round. Breathe in, only exhale. Breathe in, only exhale. So that was the Kapalbhati pranayam. In fact, it falls under Shatkarma also, under the 6 cleaning process. So the next pranayam is the Nari Shuddhi pranayam or the Anulom Vilom. So for that, you place your right nostril and you breathe through the left nostril in a most systematic way. After you breathe in, you press that nostril and you will exhale out through the other one. Then inhale again, block that one and exhale out through the other nostril by maintaining the ratio 1:2. Please continue. आप जिस नाक से सांस को लेंगे, उल्टा नाक से सांस को छोड़ेंगे. छोड़ने के बाद दोबारा आप उस नाक से फिर से सांस को ग्रहण करेंगे उसके बाद दूसरा से छोड़ेंगे. प्लीज कंटिन्यू. This cures high blood pressure, hypertension, anxiety, insomnia, heart diseases, and it increases willpower, memory, and concentration. This is the Anulom Vilom or the Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. That was the Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Next, the Shitali Pranayama. It purifies our blood. Very good Pranayama. आपको जीभ को बाहर निकालना है, ऊपरी भाग से आपको सांस को अंदर खींचना है. गले में उसको ग्रहण कीजिए. होल्ड इट इन द थ्रोट. देन एक्सहेल. Once more, breathe in. Hold it in the neck. Then exhale. Next, the Brahmari Pranayama. Press it, and this finger you have to place in the junction point of your nose and your eyes, in the junction point. Just place it, but don't press it. And finally these two fingers in the Aiga chakra, the place between your eyebrows, and finally these two fingers by the side of your nose. Now you have to breathe in. After that you will exhale the air by the sound like the humming of a bee through your nose. Breathe in and breathe out. Now the last part is the dhyan, the meditation. Please don't open your eyes. You just meditate for a while in the Aiga chakra, the place between your eyebrows. If you believe in the existence of the Almighty, according to your personal and religious belief, you just try to imagine the face of your Lord. You just surrendered your existence at the feet of the Lord. Just visualize that all your dreams are coming true. You are the most happiest person in this earth. The toxicity of your body and mind, they are going away. You are filled with energy, high spirit, enthusiasm, willpower. And if not, you can just feel a light burning here. Depending upon your level of concentration, the color of the light will be changing from one to another. You just visualize on that. Even you may visualize that the dreams are coming true. In this way you can meditate for a while. Just feel the inner harmony. Just awaken the self-healing power from inside. Thank the Lord. Take His blessings. so that your 5 sensory organ functions nicely. So this is the meditation. Then we have to do a sankalp, a vow. For that, kindly stand up. So this is the sankalp according to the protocol given by